Thank you, Mrs. Haryati. Good morning, everyone. It is a nice day. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sahrul Erfa Fahruriza. Today, I would like to give you a presentation about how to make a flashing star using Macromedia Flash 8. Okay, let's start. The first, we have to open Macromedia Flash 8 application. Then second, create new flash document. And then the third, change the color of the background. We use blue because blue is the color of the sky. And then click polygons to polystars tool. And then option, style, change star, and then click OK. And then change the color of the star. In here we use white. And then create the star wherever you want in the background. Just create the star as the video. After that, if you finish make a star, block all of the star, just like this, block all of the star, and then click one of the star. Just click, and then choose convert to symbol, and then click OK. After that, click filters right here, and then click button plus, and then choose blur right here, and then click properties, and the color right here, change alpha. And then reduce the opacity to be 50%, so it will look like almost disappear, the star. And then click in the 10 frame, insert keyframe, and then click the star, still in the alpha, increase to be 100%, and then click in the 20 frame, insert keyframe, and then click one of the star, reduce again the opacity to be 50%, just like this. Okay, and then just copy paste the frame until 50 frame. Just copy paste from the before frame, and then click Ctrl Enter to see the movie. Okay, you can see the star is flashing. Okay, if you finish make this, we have to make another